Creating videos is hard, but as I work in social myself, I can see that pretty much everything is revolved around video nowadays, so you can't really go around it. And it's understandable, right? Because video is the most effective medium out there. The issue is, to make a good video, you need to have a script, you need to have footage, you need to have editing skills, and you need to have time. And that's just something, let's be honest, that we don't have. But that's why I'm here to bring you the good news. You don't need to. Because in this video, I'm gonna show you an AI tool that does it for you. It's a tool we have called text-to-video, and it basically turns your idea into a high-quality video from scratch in just a few seconds. No cameras, no technical hassles, it's super easy, so let me show you how it works. So we're now in the text-to-video tool. To get there, you can head over to VEED.io in your browser or click on the first link in the description. So how the tool works is very easy. As you can see on the bottom, there is a text box. You can put your text prompt in there and basically communicate with the AI tool what type of video you want to create. Now, this tool can be very interesting for many scenarios, right? I mean, think of any business or any training idea. For instance, let's say you have a bakery and you want to get more exposure for your business. You can create videos giving tips to people how to make better bread. Or let's say you have a pet store and you want to give people tips how they can take better care of their hamsters or their dogs. That's what we're going to do in this video. I'm going to show you this example. I already created my prompt. I'm just going to paste it in this text box and I'm just going to dissect it so you know what I wrote down. So I wrote down a quick, engaging mindfulness training video for business managers. Use nature and yoga/meditation type footage and add relaxing music. In this case, I keep it kind of straightforward. I'm not specifying the amount of tips I want in this video, but in case you would like to do that, you can actually do it. So once we have the idea added in, all you need to do is click on generate video. So as I said, this tool is going to completely create your video, but on beforehand, you can do some customizations just to make sure that it's aligned with your style. So for instance, you can choose the size. So do you want to have it in landscape or do you want to create snippets for, let's say, YouTube Shorts or TikTok? You can do portrait. You can also choose a presenter. So let's say you want to have an avatar that basically does the narration for you. That could be really fun. In this case, I would choose voice only. I think that fits the narrative a bit better, but you can choose either or. You can also choose the language and the type of presenter. There's a whole list of them. So you can just go through them. You can click on the play button to hear what it sounds like.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
In this case, I want to have a lady voice that's just kind of calm, so I might just go for...
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
Now, I might go for Jenny, so I'm going to click on Jenny. And for this voice, you can also choose the type of narration. So, very casual or very excited or shouting. I wouldn't recommend shouting for a meditation video, but you can choose whatever you like. So this tool is also going to auto subtitle your video, which is amazing, but you can on beforehand choose the type of style that you like with the animations involved. You can also change this after the fact in the editor, but let's say you want to just keep it simple and choose a nice style. You can select one of these. So once you've selected a few options, we can click on continue. So now we've got our auto-generated script completely based on the text prompt we put in earlier. Right here, you can assess it. You can even, make some changes. You can rewrite it completely or let the AI completely rewrite it by setting some extra parameters. For instance, if you want to have a more calm and serene type of narrative or more inspirational and uplifting, for instance. In this case, I'm pretty happy with my script. The only thing I might add is a call to action at the end of the video. And this is something I generally recommend, a call to action, because it puts people in motion and it leaves them something to do at the end of the video or beginning of the video. Could be like, download my ebook, giving my mindfulness tips down in the description, or follow for more tips, something like that. In this case, I'm going to do follow for more tips. So once you have it and once you're happy with your script, all you need to do is click on continue. So now we just have to wait until the tool created our video. Again, it's going to be completely based on our text prompt. So I'm very, very curious what's going to come out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So now we just wait until the tool is finished. So the video is made. We're now automatically in VEED's editor, so we can instantly check it out. So let's just see what the video is all about.
Work life moves fast, and stress sneaks in before you know it. Next time it does, pause, take a deep breath in, exhale slow, and feel the tension melt away. Mindfulness isn't about sitting still for hours. It's about simple habits.
Nice, I'm very happy with it. This pretty much makes the video complete. However, in case you want to, do some tweaks, or you want to change the subtitles or change, the background music or the videos, you can do that very easily. For instance, at the beginning, I would like to change this video. I like it. I like the nature aspect of it, but I want to have something more enticing, something more compelling. For instance, somebody who is actually stressed, you know, a worker who is stressed as opposed to nature. So if you want to change this, all you need to do is select the video that you want to change. And if the edit video menu is open, all you need to do is scroll down and then find the replace option, the replace video option. We're going to click on this. And if you scroll down here, you can see the stock video library. In here, you can find hundreds, thousands of different non-copyrighted videos you can use for your video. You can simply replace them. You can add them to your video. It's a very easy tool. That's what I'm trying to say. So in this case, we're going to click on search because we want to search for this type of footage. So now we just need to type in a keyword of the video that we want. In this case, it would be, like I said, a stressed worker. Could be, you know, somebody who's like screaming or like, you know, in business suit and like, oh, whatever, something like that. Let's see what they have. Stressed worker. So as you can see, there are already a few that pops up. There's a illustration or animation here. There are some stock videos right here. This one will be pretty good, actually. I think this is actually the one. So if you want to add it to your video or replace it, all you need to do is click on it. And now it's automatically replaced. So let's just have a look.
Work life moves fast, and stress sneaks in before you know it.
I like it. That's great. If you want to pan or reshape or resize the video, all you need to do is select it and you can just click it around in the canvas. You can resize it, you can rotate it. For me, it was already perfect, or it was already good, but in case you want to do that, that's how you do it. Or like I said before, you can also tweak the subtitles a little bit more. For instance, if you have a custom font for your business or maybe even a color palette, you can also use that in VEED or upload it in VEED and use it for your subtitles. So in this case, we're going to head over to Subtitles and head over to Style. As you can see, there are a lot of different presets here. There are also a few that we saw before while creating this video. But yeah, just choose whatever you like. And in case you want to really customize your subtitles, you simply click on Edit. So right here, you can easily change the font, the sizing, the colors, the amount of lines even. I might just go for just a one-liner because I think that's just more appealing to watch for a short like this.
Next time it does, pause, take a deep breath in, exhale slow.
Yeah, I like that better. And like I said, if you have a custom font, you can upload it into VEED. And in this case, I already have it in my brand kit, but you can basically select it and then use it for all your videos. In this case, we're going to choose base new. That's actually the one from VEED. So let's just see how it looks. Okay. I want to have it all caps, so I'm going to do that. And just slightly bigger. Let's do, yeah, 96. I think that's better. That's better. If you go further down, you can customize more stuff, the outline, the shadow, you can add a background, and you can change the animation, which is something I want to do right now. So I'm going to click on the animation option and see what they have. So I like multiple of them, but in this case, I want to do color highlight. But now the color is black, so I can't really see the words anymore. So I'm going to change the color of it and make it one of our brand colors, green. So let's see how that looks.
Mindfulness isn't about sitting still for hours. It's about simple
Nice.
habits.
I like it. And lastly, there are a few more options to consider. For instance, auto highlight. So let's say you want to give certain words a certain, punch and emphasis during the video. Then you can select it. You can also do it manually. In this case, I don't really see a need because it kind of interferes with the animation I chose. So I'm going to turn it off. And next up, auto emojis. They were already added from the get-go. But in case you want to change some of the emojis or remove them, you can basically go into the editor and select the subtitle bar and add the emoji that you like. And lastly, the random rotate lines, which was already added by default, again, to make it a bit more interesting. I think it's kind of cool, but I'm gonna remove it because I think it's just a bit more chill to watch it like this. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the video. Again, you can change everything in this video. Everything is made from building blocks. So in case you want to change the music, the video, the subtitles, even the narration, you can completely do that. For instance, if we head over to the text-to-speech audio track, you can see the script here. And if we scroll down, you can see everything that we've selected. So Jenny and the casual option. But let's say you want to change the actor or, the AI voice. You can simply click on her name here and select another voice and regenerate it. And this is also a very cool option. In VEED, you can actually clone your voice. So in case you want to just make it more personal, you can also hear it in your own voice. And I also got a lot of questions in the comments in previous videos from how can you find the stock video library or the stock music library. So let's say you don't want to replace the footage, but just find the library. All you need to do is head over to media in the left menu. And if you scroll down, you can see the stock video library. You can see the stock music library and the sound effects library. So in case you need it, that's where you can find it. So yeah, I'm super happy with the video. We just made a few tweaks, of course, but yeah, I'm really happy with it. And if you want to download your video and post it on your socials, all you need to do is head over to Done in the right top corner, then select the video quality and make sure Burn Subtitles is enabled, so the subtitles are burned into the video. And then click on Export Video. And once your video is rendered, you can download it by heading over to the download button, click on MP4, and instantly download it to your device. So yeah, that's the text-to-video tool. Again, I find it super helpful, you know, just to get some inspiration or to literally create content from scratch. So again, if you want to try it out, you can click on the first link in the description. For now, thank you for watching and see you next time.